we just got an official look at the live action How to Train Your Dragon. And guys, this is amazing. When it comes to the iconic moments like Hiccup meeting Toothless for the first time, it's a shot-for-shot remake. Now, these shots came out of D23 Brazil, and it seems like the trailer is going to be shown in theaters first, but chances are we're going to see the trailer online very soon. And if you have doubts, rest assured, because Dean Deblois, the original director for the animated films, is also directing this movie. The How to Train Your Dragon trilogy is easily on that list of best trilogies, and seeing how everything looks so far seems promising, and I just can't wait to revisit this world again.